Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to change default search engine in Edge browser. By default, on Edge browser you will find Bing as default search engine. If you want to change something like Google or other, here is how to do it. First, open your Edge browser. Then click on this one three dots menu, settings and more, and scroll down and select settings. Here on the left, click on privacy, search and services. On the right, scroll down to the bottom. Here you will find address bar and search. After clicking on it, here you will see search engine used in the address bar. Here you will see Bing recommended default. Click on it and change to Google or Yahoo, such as I have changed it to Google. Now open a new browser, new tab, and check if it is opening in Google or not. You can see the results are appearing in Google search. Thank you. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, do hurry up. A lot of video tutorials are waiting for you. Thank you. Goodbye. See you in the next video. Bye bye.